will take you 1 hour until you can't wash. Or wash after 40 minutes. You're gonna wait 24 minutes, yeah. Have more space. It's very difficult because of washing. Just a guy and difficult. And a guy, this is a guy in tablet, right? Another like 24 minutes, right? Again, upside down. Again, upside down. Is that exactly 60 seconds? You can't speed, right? Or not around. Let's see. I'm gonna wait till 1 hour or 41 minutes so you can wash. Okay, let's keep going. Come still back on the toilet. Okay, do wash, okay? And do washing economically or you'll turn your speed so fast and you're gonna log you. Do this, do this, do this, do this. Okay, this is the speed. Yep. Comes to all down. Do this. Do economic speed. Do economic speed. Yeah. Wait only 40 minutes. Right. Do speed. Do speed. Do. Yeah, then we waited you 24 hours or 24 minutes, yep. Okay, do this. Yeah. It is good that economy is not on you. Yep. But not much. Do this. Oh, that's spinning a hole, right? That's spinning a hole. Okay, spin so fast. Do. It is gonna speed so extremely fast. Right. Yay! It looks like a first one. Now you have a condition. If you can wait 40 minutes or how many minutes you want. Okay? Speed. Caused by the toilet overload. Yep. Shake. No. Hold on, shake. No, shake. Is this gonna shake my tablet? Is it gonna speed extremely fast and full? Yeah? Economies. I have not now comes yet because you force